Blackberries are plentiful right now, so is it illegal to pick blackberries? Hi everyone, this is Karen Cole from Legal Minded Friends. I hope everyone is enjoying this bank holiday known as summer break. I am picking wild blackberries with the help of my friend's furry baby, who is great at foraging, but I will tell you more about how to protect yourself and animals with what lurks around you in a bit. So it is only illegal under the Theft Act to collect wild fruits, flowers, fungi, etc. if you are doing it for commercial purposes or without the landowner's permission. If you are collecting for personal use, it is not illegal. The blackberries I'm collecting are on my local path. I also want to leave you with a link that warns of being sure you are not collecting poisonous fruits or plants. Once you are sure the berries you have are safe to eat, wash them thoroughly. I let the blackberries that I picked sit in cold water with a bit of white vinegar. That will ensure any bugs float to the top. Then I rewash. Then I will cook the just over a cup of blackberries that I picked with a handful of blueberries, 2 plums, 1 apple, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and enough water to cover. These ingredients will thicken once the water has boiled off, stirring occasionally, and then simmer for about 20 minutes. Since I like a sweet and sour taste jam, while it's cooking I add a tablespoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of lemon juice, sprinkling in a pinch of sea salt. Just look at how delicious and thick this looks. I will use different sized jars after sterilizing them to give away, and with smaller jars this means that you can store them in the fridge, because once you open them, be mindful about the amount of sugar you used, as this will determine how the jam will preserve. Since I did not use a 1-to-1 ratio of sugar, once opened there is a risk of bacteria and mold, so refrigerate and use within a week. Please also check out my other video on how to protect oneself, children, and pets from poisonous plants or flowers. Please like, share, and subscribe free, as information is power. We have a variety of playlists to suit you and how the law benefits you and those you love. Let me know if you went picking any wild berries and your secret yummy recipes so we can all enjoy. And if you need legal help, contact Legal Minded Friends. Please see our website and all the links below in the description area.